Ebusuante following the decision by Kumasi High Court say Akosua Serwaa ne Broni nyina eye da lumba ne yere no ma wo nyina sebi wo yekuna eye no nipa bebre a kire wadwene e kire se eba ne say na yenim se Akosua Serwaa eye legally married to Lumba e kire so no kuto no all right so yekuna na judge no de sansem yi atugwa obi a kire na adwene afa sansem yi ho na no na nam so ma Akosua Serwaa ne se baro ko tugwa judge ne kire se yes certificate odi fi Germany e ba ye no akwese that certificate no crampo na your original na is photocopy na fi crampo no only one signature and there was so na ina to jetum say we who marriage certificate that both couples needs to sign or append their signatures and also with even witnesses near that there now so we there anko be musa eno na nam so ma obi a hye na adwena ye nua ba na ya Brefo so kire say sa ruling ya bay is going to be a precedent for subsequent cases so be a warrior so some for second wife and even third wife krana so few more. How do we see those other ladies too, whether they are legally married or not? I don't know what you say. Or no, they on a judge in the Yaguna in ye. No, Wakasa actually say the Abano, a Dibia, a who just or some crutches are crazy there. Decision about no is based on someone's sentiment, and I say, BB, just say, Yenia Bana Kasa, a Bebese Kutie in Sema, and I have Brefo, no reactions or the Abafa, High Court judge decision or the about Broni Akosua Serwaa court cases are be when you are supposed to do the widowhood rights and akuna no when you baby because they are all recognized as Lumba's wives and asim kuma people be brachira wadwene e bi kura che say oh say kura de Akosua Serwaa be kokoya appeal we are waiting for that time to come whether appeal or no appeal no sabi the court no che say Akosua Serwaa ne Broni nyina no we Lumba ire no ma eyeye customarily no they are all Lumba's wives anything be say kutie Nana ya Brefo ne reactions or the aba. Now also I will share video. Uti reaction area. Share your mommy in the comment section. Don't subscribe here so kindly subscribe to Musika TV or YouTube. Not follow on Facebook, your Instagram, and also TikTok. Medicine.
Certificate aye nyina e wo no ye be hu certificate fa so so nya sa certificate na ekura nyina no ye betitim. Then there's no need to have a certificate at all. Even before the judgment came out, according to omo ekọ court no obi a okọ court obi a na o court room ho bia ndodo na ye pam omo free court room so omo bi abonte. For whatever reason I don't know. I don't seem to understand. I'm just confused. And you see, it makes no sense if really you see one certificate and as a certificate that has just one signature. I think you could have gone further. I don't know whether the judge has married a German burger before or something, I can't tell. I'll say I just pray if the judge is a woman. She is. Fortunately or unfortunately, or your bar. But sometimes, maybe, I know, his lordship, Broni, Chief Justice, or call Parliament here to know, say I your man 70 years. Nessa will book more, or man 70 years because no, who can. What it is 70 about a branch at your ear, you know, who should say. So a man in 10 years and now 15 years, or your branch here, or Bakwa Saba. Or by baby, no justice, Buffalo, no, or in a bush and front one ya. No, I call you much that I be a way or mobility. Mamma 70. Coco, who a samba, or body and also goes to be by Emery, but do on 17 so to me crap, yeah, or banana cram free. So it was not based on what he thought it was the right thing, but based on what he thought on his feelings or how he felt at that moment. So you might not know who actually sat on the case and why the person did it that way. You might not know. Because Obi or a third wife, second wife. Obi also Abia also continue Obi there and Obi there no on na wa na bibinti. I'm not saying that is what it is. I'm not saying that is what it is. I'm only using one judgment by on one and Samawaka at Parliament to say that sometimes if that is what it is, it means they can because judge you are the pain. What they Obia or your crop for anymore, I have a man by 1 million years. Especially in 2 years shopping without actually looking at the merits of the case. What do you on Tanta? Na a year set certificate and nipan de buy no certificate no. And Saba copen a chassis and to win Nissa's answer na eba copeno. A your original certificate there. The next level of action is to call in somebody from the German embassy to interpret or even get the certificate to the German embassy to interpret whether the certificate is genuine or not. Because there's a German casa na certificates ne also. You could have asked them to interpret what that certificate is about, so that ye ni nyina beba abonte me ehu so certificate no fake and na say enye fake ne fia ware e na wo ho because if fia ware no ye ngu no. You see, we be president so ntisi ya nye ni ye ni anhwe ni ye ni anka asem ni ye a ebetimi akowie bone amobia uti obi a waware bia no hyene so we fa odo Broni anasa Akosua Serwaa ho we court case I dawa nei obi enya issue bi say otam de court a lawyer betimi agina no so and so case Akosua Serwaa versus president odo Broni case say na judge de enfa ho say lumba popular enti na bia judge na gina so aka say mempe ne totoro ne no anti ana mpanyimfo bi abamti ene yenye ne say it doesn't matter. It becomes a precedence. It's sad. Like, I don't know. I just want, I think more details should come out so we all understand the whole issue. That certificate in legitimate and or jifie de tum because abusuafo na ni Akosua Serwaa. Enti so jifie de tum a na oba odo Broni so yesi aware ofie a according to report no how who and who, because according to omo ekwa court no apart from abusuapen ko ka say waware no kwa wankobi. It looked like nobody was there to actually testify there was a marriage like that. Busuapen never testify, but busuapen or testify, you know. Wankobi or say because abusuapen from day one said onukro ni modo Broni. And it doesn't matter say ni parent baby, ni kunu to baby nti aware ni ho minim sad no. Because people can actually marry and decide to live different places because of Ejuma, because of Niema Bebre, and meet as and when they want to meet. Yet the divorce certificate ni akwachiresi ye twam court any. And yes sir, we are judge ya to be ntina keke nkase nipa no we fear aware ase for some time nti na aware dey go. I don't seem to get it because yet kroma na obi kwa judgment e wi ase we say ebinum esoso same mrado ese bi. E wi animal farm Emma Attorney General, Ghana's Attorney General, Babon condemn me and said, no, this judgment is not correct. It's sad. Like, that's all I want. Like, it's sad. Because one sheni year. Ni and Kanye found to be a day year. As I said, for me, I feel so both of them deserve to do a kuna. Although I don't believe in side chick. I mean, can say, we be a me no case, me found. I know in them matter. I just feel so oba to be kunuwa. Dear Senate Fatanede and try manipulating in frame now. You have no right there. Who need right to be our home? Obato Bikunwa behave like we bato Bikunu. And found us on an here because look, Obatan Hona and Wins Yankoranwa, Unya worry for difference room. Unless and they your minim sem or cohabitation, which meaning parents now for some time or cohabitation legally, but not when somebody is legally married. Not when somebody is actually legally married with certificate. Be manko hobby. What is a manko hobby? But Minya Kwame Tanko specifically said that onim se kwambia so enya no one said Judge Becca said a man me enu nyina nyekuna this morning before the judgment came out. So is it that these days we can actually know judgments before judgments are read? Because proceedings no bloggers ne man who proceedings they koi. Na sa utie proceedings no from the bloggers ne dia, that shouldn't have been the case. If you cannot prove somebody's certificate and the other person was also traditionally married could not bring anybody to testify that I was there 2010 when